I don't like all the misconceptions around pro-shippers. A lot of people act as if all pro-shippers are evil or all agree with and ship illegal things. No, that's not what being a pro-shipper is at all. Being a pro-shipper means being anti-harassment on ships. I'm a pro-shipper myself, actually. I may not agree with a lot of ships out there, but I don't believe people should be harassed for liking them. People shouldn't be sent death threats over fictional ships. If you think that people should be threatened and sent stuff like gore and other things deny, like seriously don't talk to me. Okay, that's it. One out.